Hello guys, I want to share with you this amazing pastel portrait painting tutorial. If it's your first time coming across this channel, do well to follow me or subscribe and stay tuned for more art and tips. In this tutorial, I want to share with you the beginning of this portrait. As you can see the reference picture from down. Starting this work was really amazing after getting the background and the cap and trying to develop the picture and take you to the next level, as you can see in the picture. So while starting this painting, it's really take me some little time to come out at this particular stage. So this is basically for the upcoming artist. If you are a beginner or you are an experienced artist, with these little tips I'm about to share with you here can help you take your art to the next level. So let's get it started. Actually, I do use pastel chalk and some pastel charcoal pencil. Some of them are colors, just like here. See some of them here. So drawing portraits like this really go along with some time and patience, you know. Looking at the reference picture after cutting the sketch and trying to develop the picture and take it to build the picture from the scratch and bring it to reality. It was really amazing. So as you can see in the picture, so this actually took me 7 hours to create this amazing artwork. So you can see the type of charcoal, color, pastel, pencil I was telling you I was using. Actually, you can get it to any of the shops, so you can start practicing. So what I can tell you, if you are upcoming artist and you really want to create, all I can tell you is keep creating. No matter what it is, just keep creating. You know, when I started this arts journey career, it was not as easy for me like this, but today I'm able to create artwork like this and I'm able to share with you. So it's really great and feel alright. So you are free to share it, invite um, some of your friends, brothers or relations that have interest in drawing or painting like this. Normally it's not really this charcoal portrait, like I do some other artwork like pencil work, painting on canvas, abstract painting, you can name it. You understand? So this is just one of it. So I think coming across this channel is going to really help you and improve your art and skills, because it's what you're seeing. So I think you can see how we are able to bring out this work and comes out so neat and fine like this, as you can see. So don't forget to follow, comment and tell me how you feel about the work, as you can see. So here, this is what we do here. So Don't forget to follow and subscribe and stay tuned for more because